What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to put the convertible top down in a Buick Cascada. This is a 2017 here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the first place we need to start is in the trunk. If you look in the trunk, we're going to see this little handle right here. I want to go ahead and pull that down. So we need that partition in the down position like that. Then we can go ahead and close the trunk. Now if we get in the vehicle, you're going to need to either have the vehicle running or in the accessory position. The accessory position is going to be as far as you can turn the ignition forward without actually starting it. Then we want to come down here, and this button right behind the shifter, we're going to pull it up like this, and you got to continue to hold it up while the top goes down. So we're going to continue to hold this down the whole time. And then we'll hear a chime when it's all the way down. We heard the chime there, so we know it's fully down. To put it back up, you'll just reverse everything we just did. Push that down and continue to hold it down. And it'll chime again when it's done. And that's it, pretty simple. And then that partition in the back, you can leave it down. The only time you'll really want to put it up is if you need the storage room. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.